Did we just create the best side hustle for medical device reps? You tell me. Here's the deal. Every company does internal referrals. And with Incirqle, we've externalized that and built it for scale. And let's be real. Reps know who should get hired, and you should get paid for who you know. Reps helping reps. And this allows companies to find the right people. Everybody wins. It's so easy to do. You could literally do it between cases in the OR. And let me show you how easy this actually is to operate. So here is what you would look at when you sign into our platform. Let's go ahead and click on this sales development rep role for Incirqle. You click on this, you'll see the information about the role, the responsibilities, the location, the compensation structure, the insider information, the company overview. And guess what? When you're ready, it's as easy as click refer candidate, put their information in. How do you know them? Why would they be a good fit? Upload their resume. Boom. It's that simple. It's that easy. So join our platform, get paid for who you know today.